So what I want to do is take it off. And I want to see what's in here. So I have a wrench. And I have these pliers. And you just want to yeah, it's definitely threaded. Probably compromised the hell out of it. Gonna have to put the freaking system on again and then shut it again. Gonna re-Teflon that. Maybe it's easier to hold it like this, which I'm probably compromising the circumference of it. Bit of a pain in the ass. This may not fix it, but at least I could just like go to Home Depot if I had to. Probably easier to change it if it was on the machine, on the system. All right, well, I'm going to work at it off camera. All right, I got it. A couple minutes later, but really not worth it. So it unscrews. Now look, it pisses because I relieved it. Metal. Plastic thing. And a bunch of goo. Can you see that? No, you can't. And of course, I don't have a flashlight because they're all dead. Oh, unbelievable. Let's see. Harbor Freight to the rescue. Harbor Freight to the rescue. Yeah, look at that. Didn't help with the seal. But it's definitely not. It's definitely something to clean. Now again, this is some kind of brass material, so what I'm thinking is it expands and contracts. Unfortunately, there's nothing in here that really warrants it from, it might leak again. I also might have compromised the circumference of, so it's pressurized. It's definitely pressurized. If I popped that off, that would have pissed on me. Ugh. This is all black goo. So I'm going to put it back. And I'm going to go to the sink. And I'm going to clean it and then reapply it, hopefully. Be right back. All right, I got it all cleaned off the best I could. Took everything apart, got it all cleaned out. Definitely looks better than what it was. See that? Yeah, definitely looks better than what it was. Again, nothing here probably made it leak. The only thing I could think of is that this black rubber piece meets this, and it tightens it down. And the only reason it leaked is because this gets spun around, and it probably, not that I made it uncircular, the heat over time probably warps this seal. So the only thing to do is put it back and cross your fingers. It sits like this. When the water rises, it plugs it. There's a little thing in there. It doesn't sit the other way, because that would make no sense, because then you couldn't put it on. So it's pretty easy to sit. So with everything clean, drop it. I'm sorry, Mike, can you even see that? Oh man. Anyway, it only goes on one way, because look, everything fits in the tube. Okay? I did that again. Everything fits in the tube. If it goes the other way, it falls. And then if it goes and you put that way, it doesn't, it falls. So it's really kind of self-explanatory. This larger piece here goes like that. Yep, and it sits. So you put it in, it sits like that. And then you put, obviously you clean in here. If you really, really wanted to, I wouldn't do it, but you could pack it probably with some stuff. I don't know, maybe plumber's putty. And you want to tighten it down as much as you can. Should be hand tight, but we're gonna tighten it down a little bit. Now that it's loose, I'm gonna tighten it. See? 1, 2, 3. That's as much as I really want to go, because I'm sure from the factory it wasn't like that. And now you want to just, they use Teflon, so I'll use Teflon. Probably not a lot, because I only took a little bit off. So just apply it the same way the threads go. So the threads go this way. So you want to apply it the same way, but you don't want that. See that? You don't want to do that, because then that means the water won't make it. So what you do is start it low. Start it low. And you just need a couple of passes. It really didn't leak from here. Usually you just, this is, look at this. This is some special shit. Okay. It's not impeding the water, and there's enough. So we'll go back.